Okay, hi guys. We have importation that we're making popcorn. So, one, we gotta put the popcorn in there. Then two, we close the door. Then level three, we do this, and we're done.
Okay, show us how it's done.
Okay.
Okay, now close the microwave. Now shove it one more time, press it hard so the light goes off in the microwave. Oh, there we go. Okay, now do you see the 2 on the microwave panel? Can you press the 2? Press the 2. Now the 3, press the 3.
Okay.
Now press the 0.
Okay.
Okay, now press this button that says start.
This?
Mm-hmm. It's working.
Yeah.
Then what? Then we put butter on it and it goes in your tummy?
Yes.
All right.
Okay, we'll see how it's done. I think there's one more.